So we want this bottom cluster to be the second. So we want the second cluster being here. So remembering, Integromat flows in the order that was connected, so we don't need to touch this one. That's fine. We don't need to touch this one. But when we get to this router here, it's going to go from top down through the clusters and the route. So 1, 2, 3. So we want that to be in the second. So we simply disconnect this one. And we're going to reconnect that. Because this is the first one that's connected, this is the second, we disconnected this one, and this should shuffle it around to the bottom. Therefore, this could take its place. There you go. So we're just going to repeat that. So disconnect that. So remembering, it's going to reorganize in the order that was connected. So if we connect that now, that was the last one that's connected, therefore it will go back down the bottom. So this is a handy tool. Get in the habit of using this, auto align. This will show you the real order. So there's many ways to do it again. We could have disconnected all these, but then we would have had more to connect. So we connect that, that's going to be the second, because that's existing, and this is going to be the last. There you go, disconnect that. So that's how we do that. That's how we change the order to make sure that the order flows in the desired path that we want it to, because remembering, some modules may be dependent on the others. So preceding modules may be dependent on subsequent modules. That's what's important to get your flow Integromat correct in the routes. Hopefully that helps. Matt K, Bill with K. More information, details below. Thank you. Cheers. Have a good day.